YouTube, our Comic-Con with a K, our Philippine Annual Comics Convention has come and gone last November 22 at the University of the Philippines in Diliman, Quezon City. And the footage you saw earlier that came before this part of my talking here is the only footage that I took of the Comic-Con. There is some other footage of me talking, but you see me talk all the time here already, so why would you want to see that? Maybe later I will add it as a tail to this video. But the footage you see earlier, basically that was it. No more other videos I took at the Comic-Con. Why? Because of this comic book, Elmer number 4 is finally finished, and Elmer 4 is the last issue of my 4-issue limited series about talking chickens. And for those of you who have been following me for a couple of years here on YouTube, ever since I began making video blogs, I've been talking about Elmer already. One of my very first videos actually is an Elmer trailer. If you go back to my earlier videos, you will be able to see it. It's probably in my front page. You can click it. And after 2 long years, I finally finished this comic book, and I have to say I'm quite happy with it. I'm quite proud I was able to do this kind of comic book, and it's also quite a relief because I've been working it for such a long time. So that's all that's left for me now is to just distribute it. Earlier today I was in Manila and I left copies of Elmer at Druid's Keep in Magallanes, Comic West in Mega Mall, and it's already available at all branches of Comic Odyssey. Comic Odyssey is in Robinson's Galleria, Robinson's Malate, and I think, where's the third Comic Odyssey? Sorry, Sandy, I don't remember the other one. Is it Eastwood? I don't remember. Anyway, all branches of Comic Odyssey, Elmer 4 is already available. And for those of you looking for Elmer number 1, it's still available at Comic West. When I asked earlier, I think they said they still had 12 copies of number 1. Well, anyway, on to the Comic-Con, and since I've already shown you the video that I took, I guess all that's left for me to do now is just show you pictures. I took a lot of pictures. I wasn't able to leave my table too much because I was busy, well, selling this one, and so pictures was all that I was able to take. So here goes.
Di po yata'y parumay kasi interview ng mga tao sa Comic Con. So, kung kunwari nasa Comic Con tayo ngayon. So, medyo maingay din naman eh. So, okay. So, Mr. Budget Tan, here at the Comic Con, it's very nice. There's lots of people. What is your opinion about the Comic Con 2008?
I think it's more successful now. There are more people. Definitely, it was mas mainit at mas pinagpawisan ako this year, which is a good thing naman. Got to meet more people. A lot of people, especially for Treses, the ones who wrote and emailed us. It was nice to finally meet all of them. So, sana lang, feeling ko next year magdadala na kami electric fan para mas enjoyable ang Comic Con.
You managed to release 2 books in the last year. Trece, book 1 and book 2. How does it feel that you have 2 books, very successful and very good books out there in the market? What do you feel?
I feel happy and excited, and it's something I wouldn't have imagined that we would have been able to do during the first Comic Con. I was thinking back when we started the whole Comic Con, is that we had just had old Alamat books to sell, so parang it felt good that we had something new and that it was something that people really liked and looked for. So we just hope that by next Comic Con we'll have more books for everyone.